Welcome my dear students for this MOOC course on Abhidhamma. We are going to explain some of the few Tikmatikas and Dukmatikas. The learning objective of this module is to explain the Kusal Tik, Vedana Tik and Vipak Tik, as well as we will also explain the Hetu and Asab Gochaka. First, we are going to discuss Kusal Tik. This module is divided into three parts. The first part deals with the Kusal Tik as discussed in the Nikhep Kand of Dhammasangani. The second part discusses the Vedana and Vipak Tik. And the last part presents the Hetu and Asab Gochaka of the text Dhammasangani. Before explaining the Kusal Tik, let us discuss the word Matika, which means basic points, the angles of the examinations and the vision of expression. They appear in the form of small sentences pregnant with very bigger and sublime ideas. The Matikas are of two types, Abhidhamma Matika and Sutant Matika. Abhidhamma Matika are also of two types, Tikmatika and Dukmatika. Each of Tikmatika contains three questions for examination of the Abhidhammic reals. They are 22 in number and thus covering 66 angles of them. Each of Dukmatika contains two questions in it and they are 100 in number, thus covering second angle of vision. In this way, the Abhidhamma Matika puts 266 angles of vision to highlight the nature of the four reals from different standpoints. The Sutant Matikas are Dukmatika and 42 in number, containing 84 visions of angles to highlight the nature of the four reals of Abhidhamma. There are three questions under Tikmatika, namely Katme Dhamma Kusala, Katme Dhamma Akusala, Katme Dhamma Abhyagata. Now we are discussing Katme Dhamma Kusala. The first questions make an inquiry about the Kusal Dhamma. Here, our field of inquiry is limited to four Dhammas, namely Chit, Chetasik, Roop and Nibbana. Out of them, Roop cannot be moral or immoral, or Nibbana is above that. Therefore, it is limited to Chit and Chetasik only. When a Chit is stated, the Chetasik is also included. Therefore, we are to say simply how many types of consciousness there are which are moral. In answer to this question, it is said that Alobh, Ados and Amoh are three moral roots. The consciousness associated with them or the physical, vocal and mental actions generated by that consciousness are the Dhammas which are moral. The text makes a mention that Tini Kusal Mulani Alobho Adoso Amoho Tam Sampayutto Vedana Khando Sanya Khando Sankhar Khando Biyan Khando Tam Samuttanam Kaikammam Vachikammam Manokammam Ime Dhamma Kusala. In short, it can be mentioned as below. It has been given in the chart that Kamavachar Kusal Chit 8, Rupavachar Kusal Chit 8, Arupavachar Kusal Chit 4, Lokottar Kusal Chit 4, or it makes 21. And in another way of classifications, when Lokottar Chit becomes 20 in moral sense, then the total number of consciousness which are moral are known as 37 in number. These are the consciousness which are kusala dhamma. Now we are going to discuss katme dhamma akusala. The second question is katme dhamma akusala. It makes an inquiry about such dhammas which are immoral. In clear terms, it likes to determine that which are the immoral types of consciousness. As answer to this, it may be said that there are immoral roots, namely lobha, dosa and moha. The consciousness and the psychic factors which are associated with them and the physical, vocal and mental actions generated by such consciousness are immoral dhammas. The text explains it in the following way. Tini akusal mulani lobho doso moho tatkittha cha kilesa tam sampayutto vedana khando sanya khando sankhar khando viyan khando tam samutthanam kaikammam vachikammam manokammam ime dhamma kusala. In clear terms, it may be said that 12 types of kamavachara kusal consciousness are the dhammas which are called as akusal dhamma. Now we are coming to the third question, katme dhamma abhyakata. The third question, katme dhamma abhyakata, here the meaning of the word abhyakat is that which is neither kusala nor akusala. It excludes the kusala chitta and akusala chitta. Leaving them, all the vipaka chitta, kriya chitta, rup and nibbana are the abhyakat dhamma. The text describes it as kusal kusalanam dhammanam vipaka kamavachara rupavachara arupavachara apariyapanna vedana khando sanya khando sankhar khando viyan khando yecha dhamma kriya nev kusala na akusala na cha kam vipaka sabbam cha rupam asankata cha dhatu ime dhamma abhyakata. In short, the abhyakat dhammas are as below. Now there is a table, you can understand it. Vipaka, in Kamavachar there are altogether 23 consciousness which are called as vipaka. In Rupavachar, vipaka are 5, Arupavachar vipaka are 4, and in Lokuttar Bhumi there are vipak chit which are 4, and in another way there are 20 number Lokuttar vipak chit. When we take Lokuttar vipak chit 4, it makes a sum total of 36 types of vipak chit, and when we take Lokuttar vipak as a 20 in number, then the sum total of vipak chit make it as 52. Second is Kriya. Kamavachar Bhumi Kriya Chittas are 11 in number. Rupavachar Kriya Chit are 5. Arupavachar Kriya Chit are 4. Lokuttar Kriya Chittas are 0. There is no any consciousness in the Lokuttar Bhumi related with the Kriya. So altogether there are 20 types of consciousness which are Kriya Chit. And third is Rup, which are 27 in number, and Nibban, that is the Asankhata Dhatu, that is 1.